What is personal data under the Personal Data Privacy Ordinance? Any information which can identify a living person and can be accessed or processed is personal data. Examples include names, phone numbers, addresses, identity card numbers, photos, medical records, employment records, and credit reports. Persons who control the collection, holding, processing, or use of the data, known as data users, should follow the 6 data protection principles to protect the rights of any individuals known as data subjects. The 6 data protection principles cover the life cycle of a piece of personal data from collection, retention, use to destruction. Personal data should be collected for a purpose directly related to the function or activity of the data users. It must also be collected in a lawful and fair way. When personal data is collected, data subjects must be informed of the purpose of use of the personal data and classes of transferees. Of course, data collected should be necessary but not excessive. Data users must ensure personal data is accurate and should not be kept longer than necessary. Personal data must be used for the purpose for which the data was collected or for a directly related purpose. It cannot be used for a new purpose unless voluntary and explicit consent is obtained from the data subject. Moreover, data users need to adopt security measures to safeguard personal data from unauthorized or accidental access, processing, erasure, loss or use. Data users must make personal data policies and practices known to the public regarding the types of personal data they hold and how the data is used. On the other hand, data subjects have the right to request access to and correction of their personal data. If a data user contravenes these 6 data protection principles, the Privacy Commissioner may serve an enforcement notice on it, directing it to remedy the contravention. Non-compliance with the enforcement notice is an offence. An individual who suffers damage by reason of a contravention of the ordinance may seek compensation from the data user concerned through civil proceedings.